Welcome everyone! Before I studied architecture, I was looking for information on YouTube or the internet in general, and I couldn't find much. That was the reason why I started this channel. I thought it would be a great idea to share my knowledge with all the young people that are struggling with the same thoughts that I had back in the day. My first videos dealt about what somebody needs to study architecture, but they are in German. So I took the opportunity to remake these videos in English with even more knowledge and advices for you. First things first, studying architecture is quite expensive. Probably the most expensive thing you will need is a laptop or PC. But architects do not need any laptop or PC, it needs to be a quite fast one to manage the software, which requires good graphic cards, a fast CPU and a lot of memory. You surely can pass your studies without a high-end computer, but you will have a big advantage if your computer manages challenging graphical processes in short time. You will save a lot of time and you will maybe be able to run software which other computers aren't capable of. Often universities have computer pools, which you can use and where all the types of software should be pre-installed. Anyway, your computer will be your main workstation. You will spend most of the time in front of it. So be careful and choose wisely if you haven't bought one yet. You will need different types of pens for different types of drawings. There are pencils with all its accessory for fine drawings, but there are also sketch pens and layout markers to bring in some color or make fast sketches. Or maybe you will use artist pens or coal to draw sketches and images of architecture. If your university teaches you how to draw your plans by hand too, you will also need ink pens in different sizes. Maybe you will also draw with brushes and acrylic colors, depending on your university. If you think you just need a triangle ruler for the architecture class, you are wrong. Of course, you need one or better more in different sizes, but you will also need a cutting ruler for model making. Scale rulers are very important too, so you can easily measure something at your plan or model without converting numbers in your head. Curved rulers, angle rulers or templates might be useful too. There are so many types of glue, but to be honest, I just needed one during my whole time of studies, and that was wood glue. It perfectly handles every type of cardboard and even plastic, and of course wood. Some basic tapes or glue sticks should be enough to finish your glue collection and being well prepared for model making. Every design starts with a sketch, and for a sketch you need paper. Beneath paper, in all sizes, it is indispensable to have sketch paper. In Germany, this type of paper is even called architect's roll. For drawings with acrylic color or layout markers you need thicker paper. The best way to collect your ideas and sketches is to do that with a sketchbook. You will surely build a lot of models in architecture school, so you need a lot of cardboard. There are many types of cardboard that are especially made for model making. They vary in color and thickness and hardness. The softer ones are easy to cut with knives and the harder ones look great if they are cut with a laser. Cutting maps are your ultimate background during model making. They resist every kind of blade and they prevent scratches at your table. Besides normal scissors, you should own at least one cutter knife for model making. If you have the opportunity to get a scalpel, go and get it. It is worth its weight in gold when you have to cut very thin and small pieces. Your architecture model always looks better with some people, cars or trees in it. It's good to have a little supply of them in the most common scales. Last but not least, it is very important to have some transport possibilities for your stuff. A transport quiver for the biggest types of paper possible would be very useful to prevent your plants from taking damage during transportation. It is also very handy to own a huge bag which can carry the format of your cardboards. Also part of the storage and transportation, but often underrated, is a digital storage place in form of flash drives or external drives. It is necessary to share and collect files and to protect and transport your digital data carefully. So, if you're watching this video while you're struggling with your thoughts, if you should study architecture or anything else, please let me know down in the comments section. If you're already studying or even finished, please let me know if you agree with my collection of material, or is there anything else which is or was indispensable during your time of study. In the next video we will talk about literature. And as always, thank you for watching, have a nice day and stay creative.